Are you seeking for a healthier lifestyle, feel lost, overwhelmed, and don't know where to start? You're at the right place. Our app helps you to achieve your goal easier. No matter what your need is in this journey, we got you. Welcome to the all-in-one fitness application TikFit. Let's dive into each page of the app first. On the trainer page, list of professional trainers available from our system. You're able to subscribe to their excellent workout license based on whatever you need, as our trainers are specialized in different fields. Next, on our recipe page, you can look up recipes you want based on what ingredients you currently have at home. Also, we have small intelligent tools where you can find out the calories you consume and burn. This is a great visual display of how hard you have been working on a regular basis. What's more, on our progress page, you can log into your account anytime and record your activity log to make your records regularly updated. Last but not least, on the profile page, you can easily set up and update your personal information, and our goal is to make sure your trainer is able to check on your goals and progress frequently so that they will be able to come up with a customized workout plan for you in the future once you have your personal information logged in.
So now let's assume that you are a new user to our website. So you could either check out all the services or create an account with us. So once you create an account and logged in, you can access trainer page here, and you could subscribe to the trainers that you would want to train with. And on the recipe page here, you can look up the recipe that based on the food that you want to cook for breakfast or lunch or dinner. For example, I want to have French toast for breakfast today. And once you search for that, you will see there's various French toast recipes here based on the ingredients that's available at home. You could pick one that is suitable for you. If you want to know more, you can click the URL here, and it will bring you to an external page and display specific steps to cook this dish. And our next page here, we have the calorie calculators. You can just put in plain English of what exercise you've done or what food you consume to calculate the calories. For example, here I run for 2 hours, and once you click look up calories, it will display how much you burned. And here you just need to put what you've had for your meal. For example, I ate a burger for breakfast. Voila. So here it will show up how much calories you consume. This is a very useful tool for people who are seeking to either gain weight or lose weight, since it gives you a precise number, so you know whether you are getting closer to your goal. And next page here we have the progress page. So this is a page displays your workout progress, and you can always add to your progress here. So for example, we ran for 2 hours today. And they were burned approximately 1,300 calories. Once you saved, this record will be displayed up here. If you accidentally put in a wrong information, you could always delete it and re-enter it again. So this page will give you a visual display of what you've been working on. And next page here, we have a profile page. So you can update your username, your weight, height, and goals here. Now let's see, my name is testing, and my weight, and a random number for height, and my goal is to lose weight. Once you save this, your information will be displayed on this page. As you also notice, your trainer is displayed here. You can always go back to the trainer page, find your trainer, and look up their availabilities and their contact information to book for a training session. So this is a very quick rundown of what are the functionalities our website, and I hope you'll enjoy using our website. Thank you.